Okay, good afternoon to all of you. So Sachin, start your presentation. Hello everyone, please give a reply in the chat box that are you there? Yes, Sachin, now you can present. Yes, Sachin.
Are you able to see my screen?
No, I'm not able to see your screen. Actually, it was there, but it right now it is not visible. Before a few seconds, it was there. Yeah, now it is clear.
I think in my PowerPoint I have some issue. So my first slide is not showing.
No issue. There is no need to say. Okay, now it is okay.
Okay.
Start from the introduction. No issue.
So good afternoon, all of you. So my presentation on BLDC motors. BLDC, BLDC has invented in 1970 in industrial. BLDC are used for using computer disk drive and the electrical vehicles.
Sachin, please speak loudly. Your voice is also breaking, so try to speak somewhat loudly.
Okay, ma'am. The brushless DC motor is the ideal choice of the application that high reliability and high power to volume ratio. And BLDC motor are derivatives of the most commonly used DC motors. The BLDC motor, when operated at a rated condition, we can increase the life expectancy is 10,000 hours. It is electronic commutated. We have to design electronic circuit for the control of the BLDC motor, and efficiency range of BLDC motor is 19 to 96%. The basic principle and working of the BLDC motors. The basic working principle of BLDC motor is Lorentz law, and when current carrying conductor are put in the magnetic field, so the current carrying conductor are having the force, and due to that force we are used and we are using the BLDC motor. So BLDC motor is essentially a DC motor tuned inside out. That means the coil is on the outside and the magnet are inside. In this we are used the in stator we are used the coils, and the rotor are made of the permanent magnets. The construction. The stator is lamination with the winding placed in the slot that are axially cut along the inner periphery. The rotor is made up of the permanent magnet can vary from 2 to 8 pole pairs with alternative N or N and south or poles. Ferranti magnets and rare earth alloy magnets are used in the rotors. And the below the three types of rotor used used in the BLDC. Unlike a the DC motor, the commutation of the BLDC motor is controlled electronic, electronically. It is important to know the rotor position in order to understand which winding will be energized. Following the energy, we have to following the energy sequence. We, rotor position is sensed by the difference way in the BLDC motor. We are used the Hall sensor. The characteristics of the BLDC motor in rated torque and rated speed, we are having the continuous uh, torque zone, and in this portion we are having the continuous and stable torque, and above the rated speed we are having the low torque, and in we are not having a continuous torque. There are two torque parameters are used in BLDC: peak torque and rated torque. During the continuous operation, the motor can be loaded up to the rated torque. In BLDC motors, the torque remains constant for the rated range of the speed. The motor can be run up to the maximum speed, which can be up to 150% of the rated speed, but the torque start dropping. Application that have frequent start and stop and the frequent reverse of the rotation with the load of the motor demand the more torque than the rated torque. These requirements come for the brief period, especially when the motor starts from the standstill and during the acceleration. During this period, the extra torque is required to overcome the inertia of the load and the rotor itself. The motor can deliver the higher torque maximum up to the peak torque as long as it follows the speed torque curve. High dynamic advantages of this. Ma'am, are you able to see my screen? Hello.
Yes, 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 Sachin.
Okay, ma'am. So the advantages of the BLDC motors: high dynamic response due to the small size, low weight, and high flux density; high efficiency due to the follow low rotor losses as a result of the absence of the current carrying conductor on the rotor, and reduce the friction and winding loss in the BLDC motor. High efficiency due to the possible since these motors are electronically computed, not subject to the lamination of the conventional commutations. Low audible noise operation due to the absence of brushes and commutators, and a smooth low air resistance rotor. Clean operation due to the absence of the brushes, and resulting is no brush dust during the operation, and allowing for a clean room applications. Disadvantages of the BLDC: required complex drive circuitry, required additional sensor, higher due to this circuits and extra arrangement, higher cost of BLDC, some design required manual labor. Conclusion: in the conclusion, BLDC motor have advantages over the just the DC motors and induction motor. They have a better speed versus torque characteristics, high dynamic response, high efficiency, long operation life, noiseless operation, high speed range, rugged construction, and so on. Also, torque delivered to the motor size is the higher, making it useful in application where space and weight are critical factor. With disadvantage BLDC, motors find wide spread the application in automotive, appliances, and aerospace. This. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Sachin, go to the characteristics slide.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Please explain that what is the difference between intermittent torque and continuous torque zone.
In continuous torque zone, madam, speed are increased, but our torque are stand still. In
Actually,
intermittent,
from this figure, I'm not able to understand this continuous torque zone.
hello, hello, madam. Hello, I'm audible, ma'am. Hello.
1 minute, Sachin.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello, Sachin?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, explain this intermediate torque and continuous torque. Sorry for the disturbance.
Okay, ma'am. In a continuous torque zone, ma'am, we are our torque is continuous for the rated up to rated speed. In intermediate torque, uh, the we are increase the torque above the rated torque, and it go to it go to the peak torque, and after the peak torque, our torque is starting to decrease in intermediate.
Okay, I think it is not clear, but it is okay. Okay. Anyone have any question? Okay, Sachin, make me host.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to add? Sachin, make me host. When you are right click, you will make me host. Still, I'm not host.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I am, yes. Okay, Toy, are you ready? Are you ready, Toy?
Yes,
Please
ma.
give. Okay, so I'm making you host. Okay, so you can share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Toy, now you are host. Yes, your screen is visible. Toy, unmute yourself. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, now your voice is clear.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My today is energy storage system. Energy storage system is meters is actually store energy as you test to energy when but there's need arise and refer to the device or convert the electrical energy from power system into a form that can be stored for converted to electrical energy when needed. And there is different storage methods of energy and hydroelectric compressed air, flyweight, and battery thermal energy storage. Uh, for electric vehicle, a battery is the best method to store energy. The EV require EV storage systems, which is one of the concepts of today EV technology, but the others more common chemical energy storage system in electric vehicle. There are different types of battery, and they are lithium-ion battery, solid-state battery, aluminum-ion battery, and sulfur battery, and metal battery. Lithium-ion battery is the best to store energy for electric vehicle. Lithium-ion battery offer a much higher chance of dispatch of recharge overly excess battery about 80% and 90%, meaning it can be used more of the battery just to power the load. It also the more power battery storage option today. It also have a much longer battery life, meaning it will last longer than a lead access battery, which can have also the initial score. The ion battery has my energy density of lightweight. In another way, lithium battery is a type or rechargeable battery. It is commonly used for portable electronic and electric vehicle, a growing opportunity for military and aerospace application. Thank you, Ma.
Uh, Today it is not sufficient, okay, because your topic is not related with electrical vehicles. Okay, I have asked you to select any advanced topic, but it should be related with electrical vehicles in the sense advanced machines.
Okay, Ma.
So it is okay, your health was not well, so I allowed you, okay, but next time whenever I will ask to present, make sure that your topic should be related with a somewhat with a subject, okay, because this subject I think it is related with a I think taken by Dilip sir or Ved sir maybe, okay, the subject which is taken by the Dilip sir, maybe this particular topic is maybe associated with his or his subject, okay. No issue this time, okay, but I request all of you, whenever you are giving a next time presentation, keep in mind your topic should be related with the subject content somewhat, okay. Second thing, the basic characteristics applications must be focused, okay. And I only satisfied with the presentation of Derek, okay. I'm not satisfied with any other presentation. Even Karthik, your presentation is also not that much level, okay. Is it okay, Akash, Heath, Sachin? Okay. So here I am ending the session. Okay. Uh, we will meet on Wednesday. I have a lecture Wednesday 9 to 10, and at that time I will be at college. Okay. Presently we are enjoying our vacation, but the PGs only the PG sessions we have to conduct. Okay. But Wednesday I will be at college. Okay. So I will use the interactive pad. Okay, and it will be for you. It is I think more representative. Okay. So thank you all of you. Already Akash, I have told the second mid syllabus in the last session. Okay. This is up to, okay, no problem. The second mid syllabus I will discuss on Wednesday. Okay. But it is the syllabus up to the topic, sixth chapter from the Katie Chow. Okay. Sixth chapter from Katie Chow. And the session it is covered up to 6.4. Up to, just a second, I will give exactly. Just a minute. Okay. Up to 6.3, it will be in your syllabus. And the chapter number 6 from the Katie Chow, you have to go up to 6.3. Okay. The content in a 6.3 will be covered. Okay. And in the Wednesday, just I will show you. Is it okay? Derek, Akash, Toe, Heath, Sachin. And Sachin now will now be regular, huh? To attempt the quiz, to attempt any the assignment which is given to you. Okay. Wednesday I will give assignment. Okay. So thank you all of you. Here I'm ending the session.